Hi there, this is Pablo with I2R Tech Lighting Solutions. Instead of telling you about all the nearly impossible things that our controller and lights can do together, in this video I will do something different. I will tell you about our system's limitations. As with any and all physical systems, our remote control follow spot system will have some limitations under certain user cases. And even though we have ways around them, it is good to be aware of them as to not get caught on a pitfall at the worst possible time. The first one I'd like to mention has to do with the light's limited tilt range. Our moving heads can only tilt so much, leaving a dark zone where the lights can go. As a consequence, when you install a light straight up and follow spot a moving target that approaches said light, there's a limit to how much the light can follow, and when it reached, the light gets stuck there, even if the other lights keep moving. Note that this limitation gets worse with height. Setting the lights at lower heights or farther apart increases the effective follow spotting area. But the best way to get around this limitation is by installing the light upside down, either on a horizontal truss structure or using our patent-pending I2R Tech inverted bracket. The second one I'll talk about has to do with the light's limited pan or spin range. This means that depending on facts such as the light's placement and orientation, and since we don't limit the effective follow spotting area, as the spot moves around and the light spins, there will be cases where the light reaches the limit and it will get stuck there in place. We get around this limitation, literally, by allowing the light to loop around one entire spin in the opposite direction. The loop only happens once, since that loop puts the end of the spin range somewhere else. The last one I'd like to touch on has to do with the setup. Getting all the light beams to overlap at the same spot, it's a feat on itself. The Moving Head Controller 2.0 performs very precise calculations to accomplish that. But the precise math will only give you good results if the system is carefully set up with some degree of precision. Some things to watch for are: the controller assumes a flat and leveled floor. If the floor has steps or has a slope to it, the beams will not stay locked. The lights should be carefully leveled and aligned, or else the light spots will diverge as the aiming gets farther due to these misalignments. This covers our system limitations overview. We have more videos that cover this in more depth. And please note that if you're using lights other than ours, chances are that there might be limitations not covered here. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you out there.